like to talk about frame rates now. You last told me in the last interview you did for 3D Focus that higher frame rates will be a significant effect on 3D. James Cameron's obviously spoken about Avatar 2 being at 48 or 60 frames per second. Won't this, I know RealD screens can very easily, I know the demo shown on a RealD system, but isn't that going to be a lot of convincing to do? Isn't that going to be a huge cost factor there for post-production houses, twice the amount of rendering?
Well, we're very aware, of the situation. It's just CPG prides itself on being kind of a turnkey slate-to-screen solution, right? So what we've demonstrated is the cameras are capable of doing it. The projection screens are capable of doing it. But there's a path to get to those two bookends, if you will, and we're very much aware of it. And so Jim's evaluating those methodologies, seeing what can be done on the or the visual effects side, and trying to see what other solutions can be brought to the table besides just the assumption it's twice the amount of work, right? And so I think that we're concentrating on that heavily to come up with that. Now that has a cinema angle to it, which certainly sometimes Jim is championing as a filmmaker. But I do think that the relationship of higher frame rates as we look at sports broadcast is an area of interest for us. As we start to get into 60p, production, certainly that's a good thing for 3D.